Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Apache Tomcat 10 on Rocky Linux 8.4 operating system. So Rocky Linux is a new clone from CentOS 8. So it's alternative of CentOS 8. So let us check whether Apache Tomcat 10 is supported by Rocky Linux 8 or not. So here you can see that I have downloaded Apache Tomcat tar.gzip file. So I am going to extract this Tomcat 10. So this will be the very simple installation. So before I proceeding to the installation, I am checking whether Java underscore home environment variable is available. Yes, it's available already. And Java is also available already. So make sure that you have set the environment variable for Java either locally or globally. So please visit my previous video of Oracle JDK 11 installation on Rocky Linux 8. Okay, now I am going to extract Apache Tomcat 10 tar.gzip file to /opt directory. Make sure that you have enough permission on /opt directory and enough space also. So I am renaming this directory accordingly to my convenience. So Apache Tomcat 10 is the name of the directory. So Apache Tomcat 10 supports both Oracle JDK 8 and JDK 11 also. So this is the directory structure of Apache Tomcat 10. Bin directory contains executable shell scripts, start, stop, catalina.sh, etc. etc. So the startup.sh is the command shell script file which will use to start the Apache Tomcat 10. So if you did not set Java underscore home environment variable, means this shell script will not work. Make sure that you have set the environment variable Java underscore home. Okay, let me close this startup.sh. I am going to conf directory. So under conf directory, you can see that tomcat users.xml. So I am going to edit tomcat users.xml. So before starting tomcat, I am going to edit tomcat users.xml. There I am going to modify some settings, roles and privileges. So role name admin guy and manager guy. So user will be tomcat and password will be also tomcat. So make sure that you have same content like this in tomcat users.xml. So now I am going to start the Apache Tomcat 10. So in bin directory, as I told earlier, I am going to execute the command startup.sh. So the startup.sh will call catalina.sh and many shell scripts will be executed parallelly. Okay, now go to cd opt Apache Tomcat 10 /bin on terminal /startup.sh. That's it. So you can see message Tomcat started. Anyway, we need to verify technically. So cd logs. So first step is I need to verify the log file. So go to logs directory, tail the catalina.out file. So you can see that startup logs are there. So here can see all the basic things will be got displayed, that is what are the JDK and Java home and at what port Tomcat 10 is started. Everything you can see in Catalina.out. So you can see that Apache Tomcat 10 is running on the port 8080. Successfully it started. So another method is ps-ef grub pwd. So this command shows that Apache Tomcat process is running. Another command is ps-ef grub tomcat. So this will show what are the Tomcat instances running in your machine. So these are the ways to verify the Apache Tomcat 10 is running or not. Okay, so Apache Tomcat 10 is started successfully. Now let me open the browser. So browser, I am going to type http localhost 8080. Yes. So now I am going to check the manager app. So provide the username and password which you have provided in Tomcat users.xml. Make sure that this username and password is coming from Tomcat users.xml. So Tomcat is a username and password also Tomcat. So you can check the server status manager app using this username and password. Now let me check host manager. So provide a username or password as you given in Tomcat users.xml. Yes, I can able to access Tomcat virtual host manager. Okay, Apache Tomcat and installation is successful. Now let us run some of the examples which is already bundled with this Apache Tomcat 10. So I am executing this drawing game. So which is running as a WebSocket program. So I have opened two tabs. So in two tabs I am running this program. So you can see in second tab I am drawing this. So this will be reflected in first one. Yes. So like this, many programs are bundled with Apache Tomcat 10. So you can try out all the examples. So finally I conclude that Apache Tomcat 10 installation is successful on Rocky Linux 8.4 operating system. Make sure that you have installed the Oracle JDK 11 or 8 and set the Java underscore home environment variable. And here you can see that to stop the Tomcat, just execute dot slash shutdown.sh. So this will stop the Tomcat process. So and you can verify using the ps-ef grub tomcat command whether Tomcat is running or not.